Alrighty guys, what is going up? Welcome back to the best day trading, investing, money management channel on YouTube. If you guys are new to the team, you can get this Trading It book. You just gotta message me and say, yo, Carter, I subscribed, and I'll say, alrighty, and I'll send you it. No problem. But in today's episode, we're gonna be talking about Ford, what's going on with it, why it's up roughly 3%, kind of what's going on with it, my predictions for the future and everything like that. So we all know Ford Motor Company. Ford Motor Company offers exceptional dividends. They are really a dividend stock. A lot of people love investing with them because they offer crazy dividend. I think it might be 25 cents per share on a $10.50 stock, so that's pretty good. But yeah, so this stock's up 3%. And why is that? Well, Ford Motor Company and Volkswagen have kind of merged, and they put aside their differences and their competitiveness to work on autonomous vehicles. Now they're combining, and they're putting a $7 billion plant together to really focus on autonomous vehicles. We have companies like Tesla that are already producing mass autonomous driving cars. So really, when you see large companies like Ford and Volkswagen start following Tesla, it's kind of interesting to think about. But this stock really went from 10.20 all the way up to 10.50. Now that's in a single day because of that news report. As traders and investors, well, not so much as investors, but as traders, we're hunters of fundamental catalysts, and we're hunters of volume, and that's where the volume was in the market. We had a huge, really a gap up, consolidation on the upward trend, using 200 moving average line as support. Could have made some decent trades, but let's pull it up on the yearly chart and see what's going on with it. So Ford in the past, I do own, I believe, 10, no, not 10, maybe 100 shares, roughly $1,000 worth. But I bought this when it was at roughly $8. I'll show you guys where. But I bought it all the way back here in this little dip down. So Ford Motor Company, looking at it, it kind of, if you guys look at this trend line, just looking at this 200 moving average line, this yellow one, we have this huge downward trend before we have some consolidation, and now, maybe we're on an upward trend. So we have a high of 1105, a low of 741. Now, during this time, we had some unexpected news with the company. We had, it just wasn't looking too hot, really. Now that they announced that they're doing autonomous vehicles, and they want to get a mass-produced European electric car by 2023, it's all interesting, really. I'm excited, guys. I think if Ford put a exceptional electric car together that was that could compete with Tesla's, I think we could have a rival for electric vehicles. Maybe it's just me. I am a Tesla fanatic too, so don't be like, oh, Carter, you don't like Tesla. I made countless videos talking about why I love Tesla. So really, I think Ford's kind of following in that Tesla path, and they want to get on this bandwagon before they miss the rush, before they miss that. But let's pull it up here on the 3-year chart, and we can really see what's been going on with this. So we have this downward trend. Now we have some resistance up here at 1121 that will be very, very strong. We have a high of 1404, low of 741, and we're just on this downward trend. So would I invest into it? Yeah, I would have, but I would be smart about it. I wouldn't buy in here. I would buy in at the lows. So I bought in at roughly $8, all the way back here, just because I knew it tapped it here and sold up. So it was at 808. I saw it break down into 8s. Got into it, and I've been just holding ever since. So it's been doing pretty well. So the next really move I want to see is a break of this 1121, and then we could possibly get a push, maybe up to 13 would be the goal, but we'll need some news. One thing that kind of sucks about Ford is it's such a high float, meaning that there's so many shares available to trade. So when it has high volume, the stock really doesn't move a whole lot. So you have to have millions upon millions of shares getting bought for the stock to really move crazy. But yeah, so future expectations, I think they should follow in electric vehicles. Maybe start looking at um, some more, environmental friendly cars, because they're producing so many trucks and everything like that. But I want to get a Ford. I have a Ford 500, but I want to get a Mustang. Hopefully within the next year or two. That'd be cool. But yeah, so that's what I think going on with Ford. If you guys liked it, subscribe to the channel. If you guys are new to the team, like it, comment. If you guys comment your favorite color, I'll give you guys a free course. Free course all about day trading, investing, everything like that. So that is it though. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Remember to always stay happy, stay positive. We'll see you guys tomorrow in another episode.